How to get a Shopify free trial. Shopify offers a 3-day free trial, allowing you to build an online store, explore its features, and test the platform before committing to a paid plan. After the free trial, Shopify offers $1 per month for the first 3 months on select plans. Step 1. Visit the Shopify free trial page. Go to the Shopify website. Click on Start Free Trial at the top of the page. Step 2. Sign up for the free trial. Enter your email address and click Start Free Trial. Provide basic details. Choose a store name. Shopify will check availability. Enter a password to secure your account. Provide your business type, optional. Click Create Your Store to proceed. Step 3. Set up your store. Shopify will guide you through the setup process, including choosing a theme for your store, adding products to your store, setting up payment options, Shopify payments, PayPal, etc. Step 4. Explore Shopify features. Use the trial to test Shopify's features, including website design tools with drag-and-drop customization, product management for listing and organizing items, marketing tools for email campaigns and SEO optimization, analytics and reports to track store performance. Step 5. Upgrade to a paid plan, optional. Shopify offers $1 per month for 3 months after the free trial. Choose a plan that fits your business needs. Basic, for new businesses. Shopify, best for growing businesses. Advanced, for scaling businesses with more features. Step 6. Cancel before the trial ends, if needed. If you don't want to continue, cancel before the trial expires to avoid charges. Log into your Shopify admin panel. Go to Settings Plan. Click Deactivate Store to cancel your subscription. By following these steps, you can start your Shopify free trial, explore its features, and decide if it's the right platform for your business.